how to book IPL tickets online. So if you want to book your IPL tickets, then what you need to do is first check your internet connection. Go with your Play Store and go with the search which is on the bottom right, and then go with the search bar and search for Book My Show app. Once you search for Book My Show, now here you will have Book My Show application. So what you need to do is simply go and install the Book My Show application. So to book your IPL tickets, you need to install this application, because without installing, you won't be able to book your tickets. So install the application. Once you've installed, you can simply book your cinema, comedy, music, or you can stream. You can go with camping, and under this on the bottom you will have about this application, right? So you can use this application to book tickets for your movies, events, sports, and concerts near you. So you just need to simply install the application. Once you've installed, you need to simply log into Book My Show application and then enter your city, and under the best of live events you need to tap on IPL, and you can also register for Book My Show account to book tickets. After registering, you can search for offers and discounts if you want to, and it will include the vouchers and coupons. In this way you will be able to book your tickets, IPL tickets, on Book My Show. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.